We're sending dad a message again, man. Why is the computer not turning on? I'm clicking it. Oh my god. Oh wait, it's on. Okay, perfect. Okay. Boom. Wait, baby, who is this writing to me? I don't understand. I'm gonna send another fake message. Baby, I just want to chat. Hey, yo. Yes. Yes. Open door? Yes. Okay, here we go. This is spraying. Yes. This is where we do it. This is where we do it. Okay, leave everything we did. Give him a sleeping pill. Here we go. Now we're going to ring the doorbell. Here we go.